It is important to understand that using plastic bag is harmful for the environment. Unlike the cloth and paper bag, the plastic bags are non-biodegradable and stays in the environment for years and contributing to land and water pollution. This is the reason why we all should say no to the plastic bag, so to make our environment cleaner and to make our earth a better place to live. Hi everyone, it's Anju and welcome to my channel DIY Arunachal. Reusable bags are green way to go. So in this episode, I'm showing you how to make your own reusable bag. So let's get started. So these are the measurements for the bag, and for the pockets you need a long fabric. Now start marking on the fabric just like in the video I'm showing you for the pockets. Match the marking and pin them together and remove the extra fabric. So the pockets are ready now. Close stitch the ends. Here's a little change. Instead of the circle base, I've changed it into a rectangle shape. So finally now it's time to attach the handle to the bag. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and see you all next time. Bye.